First and foremost, if you're wondering if this is legit, I'm telling you guys, this is super legit, 100% legit. What's even more exciting in this website is that as soon as you receive a notification that someone sent you this, and that, you will really get it like real time. When I say real time, it's real time. Maybe just 2 to 3 minutes once you receive that notification. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This is Marilyn and thank you so much for clicking in this video. I know it's been a while guys since I uploaded my last video here in YouTube, but here is another one for you. So in this video, I'm just gonna share with you one amazing website. At first guys, di ko mo toong this website can help me. I'm gonna talk about this amazing website that I happened to open or visited like 3 weeks ago, a month or 3 weeks ago, I'm not so sure. I just saw this sponsored advertisement on Facebook while I was scrolling through my news feed. And I got curious because of the captions on that advertisement. So I clicked on that link and then I signed up. It's very easy and very fast. It took me like 30 seconds to create an account to sign up, and then I run through the tabs and all the options there. It's so easy. So I tried it, and then I posted something, and then I got my link and sent it to my friends. I even promoted it on my Facebook account. And surprisingly, I thought that's just it because there is just a lot of websites out there now you can try, but there is no assurance that you can really cash out money from it. Now this one is different. So I signed up and then created an account. I promoted it on my social media accounts, and then surprisingly on that same day I got cha-ching, I got an amount. I got $5 on that day, and then later that night I got another $5. And guys, it's legit. It's already on my PayPal account, and don't worry, I'm gonna show that to you later on. And then a few days after that, a few friends of mine sent me a few dollars. So this is a good website, especially for content creators like us. So the good thing about this website guys is that it's for free. I mean, you can create an account, you can sign up for free, and it will just take you like 30 seconds to create an account. That's very simple, and it's very easy. I would say it's very user-friendly. It's easy to navigate. What's even more exciting in this website is that as soon as you receive a notification that someone sent you this, and that, you will really get it like real time. When I say real time, it's real time. Maybe just 2 to 3 minutes once you receive that notification, and then check it out on your PayPal or whatever mode of payment you have chosen for your cash out. You will really have it there. In my case, I have chosen PayPal because I find PayPal very easy and very useful. I've used it before when I used to work with American or foreign clients. So PayPal is very useful, but there is another option if you don't like to use PayPal, or if you're not comfortable using PayPal, you can do that. But for me, preferably I choose PayPal because it's very easy. I mean, you can withdraw the money real time. I didn't take the money yet. It's still in my PayPal account because I want to show it to you guys. So for you, if you're a new YouTuber or if you're a content creator, you should not miss to sign up on this website. I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna do a screen recording. I'm gonna teach you how to navigate the website, and in less than 30 seconds, trust me, you'll be able to have your account. So without further ado, let's just go and check it out. So all you have to do is grab your phone and click on any browser that you have. I prefer Chrome, so let's go to buymeacoffee.com. Again, that's buymeacoffee.com, and this is gonna be the interface. It will bring you to this page, and all you have to do is to click on this start my page or sign up. Okay, so let's click on sign up. That's very easy, and then you will have the option here. You can use your Google account, your Facebook, Twitter, your Apple ID, or whatever, and then you just have to click on continue. In my case, I already created my account, so let's just go with this. And once you're signed up or once you're logged in, there you will see this is the interface, and this is your dashboard. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. So in my case, I already got $20. So they sent me $20. And now when it comes to your payout, or here to choose PayPal or Stripe. Now in my case, I don't know what Stripe is. I haven't checked on that, so I just enabled PayPal. It's very easy. They will just ask you to log into your PayPal account, or if you don't have a PayPal account, you will be provided with a link wherein you can sign up for a PayPal account and then just enable it, and then there you go, like that. And then here is the most important one, your page link. This is something that you need to copy. Click on copy, and then once it's copied, you can post it on your social media accounts. If you open that link, let's say for example, let's paste that, my link, actually that's my link, it will route you to this page wherein your dashboard or a glimpse of your profile will be shown, just like mine. For example, Marilyn Patok is creating travel vlogs here in the beautiful paradise, Philippines. It will show how many supporters you have, post and edit profile. And the good thing about this is that your viewers, your friends, or whoever clicks on that link doesn't need to have an account in here. So all they have to do is just check here. I think I cannot click on this because this is my personal link, but if I'll use a different link, just for the purpose of showing it to you guys, so you'll have a perspective on what is going to be the interface when someone clicks on your link. So they will be routed in here, and they will have to choose buy Marilyn Patok coffee. They can choose 1, 3, or 5 depending. Oh, I can click it. So depending on how much money they're willing to spend on you, so they can type something like, I have been supporting you since day one. Okay, wrong spelling, wrong. Since day one. And then they can choose to make that message private or not, depending on them. And then yeah, they just need to click on this, and I think they will be routed to another page or another link wherein they just have to input their payment information or account information. And then it's very easy. It will just take them like 2 to 3 minutes to finish the process. So that's it. And so now I'm currently logged in on my PayPal account. You can see the balance, and there is the activity. So let's view all activity. So as you have seen earlier, I got $20, right? So 2 people sent me like $5 each, and another one sent me $10. So just to give you more information, so technically Buy Me a Coffee, that website is taking out around 30 or 70 or 60, 70 plus 70 cents something from the $5 that I got. So it's like a processing fee, I guess. but it's on my PayPal account now, and it's real time, guys. So it's in here. So again, this is Marilyn saying goodbye and have a good one.